My name is Vincent Rotolo. I'm from Las Vegas, Nevada, and we're here at my house, and we're having a pizza party. I started making pizza when I was 12 years old. There's a place on Bleecker Street in New York City called John's. If you're in my family, it's kind of a rite of passage to work at John's Pizzeria. My dad worked there, his aunt worked there, and so I started making pizza there at the age of 12. I'll make a vegan pizza for you. No, my vegan friends are coming. I got pickled. This is the vegan station, bro. Look, everything here's vegan. And my entire career for 26 or 7 years was all front of house experience. Worked up to manager, general manager, director, and then, but in my heart and in my personal life, I was always just making pizza. When I moved to Las Vegas, my father was sick and he passed away. And once that, like the realization of when you lose your parents and you think about what makes you happy and what you want your life to be about, I just went back to my adolescence and my youth about pizza making. And I thought I just need to not worry about money and just find a way to just make pizza for a living and figure it out from there. All right, you guys, try some.
Thank you.
Yeah, roasting those shrooms, baby. The thing about pizza is it represents so much more than just a food, right? It's a big deal. It's not just like, let's go grab a slice. It's like what that means, how you feel. Yeah, no, don't take that one. Here, take this one. That one's better. Okay. Take that one. That's the love right there. I just want to make a good pie. I just want to make a great product. I want to put my heart and soul into everything I do as it relates to pizza making and touch as many people as I can through pizza. I hope you guys are not leaving. All right, our job is done. Try that. No, we'll make them a real pizza.